Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nes'Thembu, and can we start with my fave, MaKhumalo? My fave is disappointing me, guys. My fave is disappointing me because I think Uti, she does not understand her role, or she doesn't understand these women, or maybe these women are different to her in real life than they are to us on the screen, right? The reason why I'm saying that is, like, we know that these women are possessive when it comes to their children. Then how would you go nomntwana ongaso wakho ayohlolwa? Yes, owakho by marriage, but it's not wakho by birth. Ayohlolwa, and you are there and you are doing the whole thing, knowing it's maybe something precious, like for the people in KZN or KwaZulu, and this might sit bad on their mothers. Like, when you just continue. And knowing which banjan labo mama, it was like, I was not happy with the decision that she made. I think Mina personally, she should have just said, kids, let's go. We'll come on another day when your mother is present rather. So yeah, now she just continued, and it was a lovely day. But I think in the long run, if not very soon, is when you tell my cons, nizongbamba ngesandla. Really enjoying a storyline Sigamayeni this season, her taking us through her journey at work in Ini. There are a lot of us that are going through a lot at work, and it is very difficult, and sometimes you would not think work might give you stress. Every time when a person is admitted and there's stress and whatnot, they think hey, family, umshato in. But work can be like toxic, super toxic, and work can drive you like literally to a breaking point. And I'm just glad Uguti has given this education side of things. And ngiyacela bafethu, asiyeni vele siyobona ama psychologist, asiyeni kuma mental institutions or kuma health clinics, or whatever you guys may call them, to make yourself feel better. But at the end of the day, it deals with your mind, and I love. But also on the table, they also discussed one important thing, being usibindi, ukuthi hayi usibindi uyangena uyaphuma ukhohle ukuthi akekho egoli, ubuyile ekhaya, and makabuyile ekhaya kumele abe yini, ingane. So usibindi, how would you treat usibindi ngabafazi about 3 as a child? 3 wives, 3 kids, or whatever. Like, how do you then differentiate and now start treating him like a child? Akiphe uma wakhe, and they went to a spa treatment that's got a nice, bought her mom a ring since her mom lost her wedding ring, right? Not a problem. But now the problem for me was when she spoke about abantwana bayohlolwa and ukuthi bahlolilwe nani. Okay, let's like ukuthi baqalile in. Does she have the feedback? Because ukhulume ngathi hayi akunankinga yabona, hayi sengiyathi ngithi hayi kwenzakalani, sebahanki idori labantu or yimi engayibambi kahle, what's happening? Umseleku ke abanika imoto ke umseleku ababize laphayana. Hayi man, like ulwandle, his happiness, he even went down on one knee, on both knees, agoqe phansi kubaba wakhe, abonga. Hayi usibindi vele wabona ukuthi lo guqile nami ithi ngiye phansi ngeli1 ke idolo kunganani. But ukubonga kwakalwandle, it was over and above. Like, he was like, what did we do to even deserve this, baba? Like, what did we even do to get here? Like, siyabonga. I was like, wow, such a grateful child. Like, but you're still so grateful. I think vele ukuthi ulwandle uzoyilida le family man. Ngiyamfila wena ubona kanjani? Ngifila ngathi uzoyilida ulwandle le family. Yazini usuthatha umfazi alright. I pray ukuthi umfazi wakhe aqine nje, first wife abo umfazi oqinile nje, one vision or support vision yendoda yakhe, because wow, like I just fell in love with ulwandle and how grateful he was. Because truth be told, if it was somebody else, it might not have been like this. Because vele ubaba wami uyithengile, so what now? So nje, I was just touched by how grateful he was kuyo yonke lento. Bahambe ke abolwandle bayobonga ke kuMaKhumalo. Yo guys, like that part was so touching for me. Yo, I think maybe we know MaKhumalo's heart, and we know these kids love MaKhumalo, and we know MaKhumalo loves these kids, and we know she's one wife who would accept and embrace and raise these kids as her own fully without even having to remind them, your mom did this to me, your mom did that to me ngelinye ilanga. But I loved how they were so grateful, how and that the way bakhuluma naye, like bakhuluma naye ngathi like it's like umama wabo vele umngani wabo, like bayavibe nje. So yeah, the boys got the cars and we are hoping ukuthi bazosiphatha kahle, more especially uSibindi, because wow, uSibindi uyagijima guys, uyagijima via girls wise. But uMaKhumalo said something nomseleku bathi sinika le imoto ngoba niziphethe kahle. I'm like, mina ekhaya if I was single with 3 kids bengeke kushiwo ukuthi ngiziphethe kahle, but ke ukuziphatha kahle varies from one family to another, I guess. But yeah, this is your girl, Disebo D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.